Oh my gosh. Bro. No, bro. Tapos meron pa sa mags. Bruh. Yeah, we're cool, can't go lie. Oh, it's cheap. Sad. May lang naman yung damage though. Yesterday, no. The other day, I was going in a street. Pero sobrang heated, sobrang narrow nung daan ng gate. I misjudged, I miscalculated my turn. And then dumali yung, narinig ko na lang yung likod. Boom! Yeah. Skill issue, I guess. My guys have arrived. Yeah, they got works, they got projects. Hopefully, ma-fix. I don't know. Kaya po to same day, ma'am?
Po?
Kaya po mamaya po yan.
Mga alas 7 na yan, boss.
Okay lang po. See you later, FD. Sheesh. Okay. Buti malapit lang though. Ah, man, this car, bro. It's ruined. Still looks good though. Anyway, balikan lang natin mamaya. Tapos pwede daw pala tong ano yun, pintuan ng block. That's good news. Tapos ngayon ko lang napansin, black pala tong ano niya, half niya. What the heck? Kala ko full chrome eh. Anyway, book na ako ng grab pa uwi. Then balikan natin itong mga 7 PM daw. Yeah, cool.
Plug!
Yes sir, we are back boys. Got the car back, man. Yeah, bili muna tayong coolant. Tapos pakita ko yung gas-gas. I mean what do you call this? Yung gawa nila. Okay din. I don't care. Park like a douche, man. Kaya pakita ko sa inyo. Look. No more scratches, bro. Holy. Yeah. Also, sa mugs. Hindi ko nga alam kung nasan yung last na gas-gas eh. Yeah, good job. Ito ba yun? Yeah, but coolant muna. Bili tayo coolant. Maraming coolant kasi ano ko rin to eh. Bro, you couldn't even tell nasan yung gas-gas before. Like, damn, son. Okay. Pulido. Yeah, but right now, bili mo ng coolant. Siguro mga 5 liter ba yun? Basta yun. Kasi papayas ko rin, if not tomorrow, then Friday, papayas ko yung coolant. Bibili akong caliper. Probably tensioner din. Yeah, papafix ko muna bago ako i-modify. Akala ko nga this week, i-modify ko na siya, like, matatapos na. Also, I've been waiting on the rear chin. Yun pa, ang tagal na. I think last Sunday pa yun eh. What is it now? Wednesday? Bro, kanina parang may narinig akong tubig. Like, am I tripping? Or twigging? Bro, I swear meron kanina. Bro, look at me. Need car wash, bro. Yeah, diretso car wash tayo after na ito. Then, punta tayo kala baby cakes. I'm saying, man. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Bruh. Ang init. Shucks, ang init. Hot, boys. Coolant ko parang 2.0 eh. Yeah, so go drink, my boy. Yeah, I'm gonna take care of you, little man. Yeah, it's done. Doon lang naman sa reserve. So let's go and wash this bad boy. Bro, so freaking hot, boy. So freaking hot, twin. Ba't kaya nagli-leak? Wala namang tulo. So freaking weird, boy. Like, what the hell? Ah, shit.
got with you in my life to only make it better. Kiss you on your neck, I know it make you wetter. You know I like M's, that's my favorite letter. Sipping on this drink, you know it.
Okay, wala na. Nice. Yes, sir. Once again, sunduin si GF, man. Damn. Buti na lang. Di na halata, no? Like legit, di mo mahalata. Dito I think nakita ko sa inyo ano eh. Phoenix. Although di mo talaga di mo mapipinpoint na saan eh. Well, job well done. Yes sir, time for mods. Yeah, papayos ko yung steering wheel. And then kasi hindi siya bumabalik sa gitna eh. Pag binitawan mo, hindi siya bumabalik sa gitna. Also, yeah, yung coolant. What else? Pag papayos yung alignment. Pero mamaya na yun. After coilovers na lang para isang alignment na lang. Tapos yun. Ayan. Few more days left para enjoyin yung stock height. Sheesh. Man, I love this car, bro. Also, tensioner din pala daw. Yeah. Ano pa bang papayos ko dito? Yeah, I think that's it. Minimal. Yeah. Cannot wait, brah. Buti na lang talaga na fix. Good job. Ito pala maging passenger sa FD na mabilis. Sheesh. Nag-auto lock ba ang FD pag naiiwan? Southbound. Yes sir. Same parking spot. Di mo na talaga malaman kung nasan yung no? I mean, wala talaga eh. Like, yeah. Color matched. Check mo B. This is so beautiful, bro. Ito, papalitan yung caliper sa likod. Kasi, yeah, may leaks. Ay, may rust, I mean. Saan sa tingin mo yung gas-gas? Wala. Dito yun eh.
Dito to. Balik mo na.
Di ba?
Ang ginawa nila?
Hindi ko alam, nirepaint ata or something. Pati sa mags, wala na rin. Yes, sir. Meron yan somewhere dito eh. Mapipinpoint mo ba ako nasan? Hindi. Yeah. Cool. Sheesh. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's eat. Turn this shit off. Pinag-isipan ko, palit ako ba ito ng ng brandless na touchscreen. Wait na? Just got here, bro. Yeah, let's go. Ano mo lang? Kailangan mo lang. Kusa yan, kusa.
Pataas?
Patas. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Share mo ako, B. Thumbnail. Should get him, B. So we got King Caesar. Lasagna and yeah, cool. Let's eat. I'm famished, bro. Sheesh. Yeah, that's very. I'm gonna crush you, bro. Hey. Bruh.
Point the place.
Oo na. Gitna mo lang.
Uy, ang galing! Champion!
Sir, on our way home, boys. Pagmasdan ng FD. Hindi ko na ito papawash over. Color block naman eh. May mga specific angles and lightings lang talaga. Nagmo-Mont Bleu. Damn, pogi. All block. Nice. Yeah, let's go. It's hard. Alright. We have entered the racetrack. Okay. Yes, sir. We're on our way home, man. Wala na naman gas, sir. Cheers! Cutting up in the Civic FD 2.0, man. Yeah, so basically, we fixed our scratch. Buti nga walang dent eh, no? So parang dumaplis lang talaga ako dun sa parang gate na yun, kaya nagagasgas. But anyway, thank God, di rota. Thank God rota lang yung binili ko, kaya yeah. It's not that big of a deal, man. Yeah, babili na fix. It's like nothing ever happened. Late night drive in the Civic. Know what I'm saying, man? I see an opening, boys. Pull. Oh, nah. Nah. Get out of my way. Get out of my way, man. But before I wrap the vlog, papagas muna ako. Like always, kasi ang takaw na ito sa gas. Like, it's not even funny at this point. Although, di naman ako concerned sa gas prices. You know, di ko naman titignan yung mga balita kung tumataas or bumaba. I mean, I just fill up, you know? It's easy. It's kinda easy, bro. You just gotta grind, man, so you don't have to think of the prices, man. We are back. Wow, empty. Let's go here. Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir. Welcome sa Shell.
Ano po? 1.5 po, boss, na
1,500.
regular gas lang.
Okay.
1,500. 1.5. Yun yun. Ilang bars na dagdag? Oh shoot. I think mga... Yeah, I don't know. I'm not counting, bro. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. And see you in the next video, bro.